everybody, today I'm going to unbox a Lego car made out of Lego, of course. It is included with one person and a small solar panel petrol station. So let's get opening. I've got a little bit of the tape off. Let's pull it off. Okay, now let's get the other one and pull it off. Open this. So then we've got all these items and all the instructions and all this. So this is basically going to be the base. Okay, let's read the instructions. So first, open the packet. Open the packet. Then there should be the head and everything to make the human. There's the. So this is the body. These are the legs. Let's put it together like that. And the head, like this. We'll just move this to the side. Let's flip the page. So this is for the petrol station. So it's basically this. Second, we have to get this piece. If it is, it's not in there. Here's the solar panel. Now, there has to be a piece like this somewhere. Here we go. Now, we're going to put it into the middle like this. Okay? Now, there's going to be this top part. Then, we're going to put this right here. And then another one like this. Now, we're going to get this top part and put it on. Now, we need a blue piece like this. And one of these pieces. And this. So this piece goes on top like this. And then this piece goes here. And then we have to connect it to the front. Like this. So now we have to get this window thingy, the solar panel right here, and let's put it on. There we go. This is the petrol station. Now we need this piece, only this piece. Then we need this piece, basically like this. Okay, then it's meant to go at the back. I don't think it really matters which side it goes on. Now, there's meant to be one of these, like this, and two of these long pieces, like that. Now, get this piece, and I have to stick it on the front. Okay, now we have to get this yellow piece. It goes right here. This goes right here. Now we need another one of these pieces. Here we go. Okay, got this. Now we need one like this. Okay, now we got our thing. Now this goes like that. Alright, and this, it goes like this. Now we need another one of these blue pieces. Here, it goes right there. Now we need this piece, basically like this, and it goes at the back. Now we need two of these. So, and another one here. Okay? So then we need these to go like that. There's got to be one over here, left spot. Okay? Then we're going to do the same on the other side. There. Now we want these like that, okay? And it goes right here. Now we need this blue piece and one of these transparent pieces. Then I'm gonna stick it on like this. Okay? Now this goes like that. Alright? Now we need two of these. 1 and 2. Okay? We're gonna place it on the sides. Like that. Now the same for the other side. Like this. Alright? Now we need two of those pieces. 1, 2. Now two of those red transparent pieces. 1, 2. Two of those red pieces again. 1, 2. Okay. Now one of these flat pieces like that. Right here. Now one of these pieces right here. Okay. So then we get this piece. Okay, so like this. And then, once again, same over here. Now, that part's done. And like this. Alright. Now, we need these two pieces. Like that. And like that. Okay, now this, like that. Wait, Now we're gonna gently push this on. That. Okay, now we flip the page. We're technically gonna make this, alright? No, so, like this, alright? Then, we need two of these pieces. 1 and 2. Okay? Wait a minute. These two, right? Then they go on the sides. This. And then like this. Alright. Now we need that, okay? One of this. Then two of those. Right here, like that. Alright? So then this part goes like this. Okay. Now this, it goes like this. Now we have two of these pieces. Alright. We're going to put these pieces right here. So like this, stick it on right there, and the same goes for here. Oops. Alright, now we need two of these pieces. Again, so two, okay, and they go on the sides. Alright, now we need two of these. One, two. So it basically fits like this, and it's meant to go here. And then the same goes here. There. Alright, now we need two of those. Okay, 1, 2. Now we need another two of those. One, and the second one is here. So this, okay, so it basically goes like that and that, and this part like this. Okay, now we need two of these super long pieces, and we're going to put it right here like this. Okay, now we need two of these pieces. 1, 2. Alright, now we're going to put these right here. Alright, now we're going to flip it. We need one of these pieces, and this goes right here. There we go. Now we need one of these pieces, spiky. Okay, it's meant to go something like this. Okay, so like that. Okay, now we need this piece right here, and it fits like that. Now we need another two of those pieces. 1, 2, and these two go right here. Now the same is for over here. Alright, it's really coming into shape. Now two of these, 1, 2. These two go like this. Alright. Now we need two of these pieces. 1, 2, and they go there. So basically like that. And here. Okay. Now we need one of these pieces, and it goes right there. Now we need another one of these pieces. It goes right here. Now, flip the page. We need two of these pieces. 1, 2. Now we need one of these. Okay. So then this goes like, okay, well first I'll just put it here, right? And this goes right here. Same does this. Now, okay, we'll just put these two to the side because we're working on something else. So now we need one of this, one of this. Okay. Now we need 1, 2, 3, and there's gotta be 1. Okay, so that 2 of those. Okay, and 2 of those. There. So these two, they go on top of each other like this. So now, then you flip the page. Now you have to put 3 of these on like this. 1, 2, and 3. Now you get 2 of these. Put it on like that. Now you get 2 of these, okay, and we put it on like this. Alright, now this can go on our car right there. Now we've got it. Next page, we need 2 of these. And these go like this. Fit there, and that fits here. Okay, now we need these 2. So this and this. Okay, so this, get a car. Okay, so then get this piece and it goes on like that. Then the other one, same thing, goes on like this. Now get this right here, and then this right here. We're going to put these 2 on top of each other like that. Okay, then this is like that. Basically for the back. You know what racing cars? Yeah. So these 2, okay. Now this goes at the front like this. This goes at the back like that. Alright, let's flip the page. Now we gotta get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now all of these go in like this. Yeah. 1. So we got our 4 tires. They go on the side like this. Now this one like this. On the other side. There. Come off. So this, it can fit straight inside of here. Sit down and relax, okay? And it should be able to fit perfectly, like this. Okay? Cool, right? Now these are all just spares if you lose some. Now, we are going to show how this man, where he puts the petrol in. So we'll just put this back on. Alright? Now, it goes right here. Okay? Now, this goes. Alright? Now, as you can see, the man is putting the petrol in.